this video, I will show you how to connect your Airbnb and Booking.com calendars. To do this, what you want to go and use is a tool such as HostHub, or you have other ones that you can use as well. Now, personally, I think HostHub is a pretty good one. And what it allows you to do is to connect your Airbnb and Booking.com and also other calendars so that you can avoid double bookings. And on top of that, it also has additional features. So you can go into products right here. You can see you have the channel manager, which allows you to again sync your availabilities and rates across over 200 channels. You have a property management system, a revenue booster, a website builder, and booking engine for vacation rentals. Now, it is not free, but it's also not that expensive, and it will most likely make you more money than it will cost you. So the standard plan, if you have 5 units, is $21.40 a month. For one rental property, it's $39 per month, but if you have quite a large amount, such as 30, it will go down to, for example, $15 per unit per month. Now, if you search for short-term rental software, you will also find a bunch of other ones, such as Guesty, Lodgify, Hostaway, and there are a lot of very good ones. For example, Doorloop is also a good one. So you can just use something like this and get a free trial, and then it will help you sync your calendars in real time so that whenever someone books in, for example, the 14th till the 20th on Airbnb, then on Booking.com, it will also instantly be blocked off so that again you avoid double bookings. So that's how you can connect your Airbnb and Booking.com calendars. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.